Hi everyone, Julie Lewis here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and I'm here to present to you a fantastic, beautiful home at 2983 Concession Road 8 in rural Clarington. I'm so excited to give you a tour. Welcome home. Upon entry, you have this awesome foyer, and to my left here, you have a main floor bedroom, which is perfect for your family. I know you were asking about it. Check out this beautiful grand staircase. This home is special. It was renovated not even 10 years ago, so it has everything you need down to every single detail. Having that charm of a wood-burning fireplace where you can hang out with your family, and this living room is also combined with your dining room. And what I'm so excited to show you about the dining room is that you have a walkout patio where you can enjoy your expansive views of your 17 acres. On the main floor, you also have a full bathroom with glass shower. Super convenient. Everything has been thought through at 2983 Concession Road 8. This is a chef's dream kitchen. Every single detail has been thought of. You have the pot lights, the crown molding, beautiful sleek countertops, and top of the line appliances. No detail has been overlooked. We're on the second floor now at 2983 Concession Road 8. This primary bedroom is a thing of dreams. We got a walk-in custom closet with laundry, and we have another balcony where you can enjoy your scenic views, and on a clear day, you can actually see the CN Tower. And this is everyone's dream, at least it's mine, but it's a custom walk-in closet. We have the shoe organizer, you got laundry, it's beautiful. And who wouldn't want to enjoy their morning coffee on their private balcony right off the primary bedroom, where you can look at the beautiful views of the nature that's surrounding you. You can read a book, you can relax with your family. It's amazing. The second floor bathroom is a thing of dreams with a jacuzzi corner tub, an oversized glass shower, double sink. It is fantastic. You got everything you need. And how about another large bedroom on your second floor? Downstairs now at 2983 Concession Road 8, and you have this super awesome sunroom where you can relax with your family, you can walk out to your backyard, or simply just enjoy these incredible views. And there's actually a bathroom down here as well. So what did you think? Wasn't that tour incredible? 2983 Concession Road 8 is absolutely fantastic. It's a thing of dreams. You have 17.62 acres, you have a barn, you have a fully renovated home. Make it yours today by calling that number above, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest homes for sale.